Check this out, this is the brand new XGT 40 volt max brushless reciprocating saw from Makita. Next to the 18 volt model, you can see that it's a little bit thicker on the pointy end, but in the hand, it feels very comfortable, not bulky at all. Now my favorite new feature on this saw is the blade change. Now with just a lever on the side of the tool, no matter where the end is on the stroke, you can just pull the lever and switch the blade. And while both the stroke length and the stroke speed are the same between both models, the difference in performance is huge. When counter cutting this stainless steel tube, the new XGT saw cut it in half the time of the 18 volt equivalent. I did a runtime test on some recycled hardwood, and the XGT reciprocating saw achieved 103 cuts, averaging 3.82 seconds. That's 21 cuts more, on average almost a second per cut faster than the 18 volt equivalent. And that test was done with a 2.5 amp hour 40 volt battery. You can expect even better runtime with a 4 amp hour. Of significant note is using the same blade on the same material, the XGT reciprocating saw had significantly less vibration, which is really nice on the old hands. The saw's got 2 speed settings and a blade lock on top of the handle. It's got a variable speed trigger. All the overmolds provide plenty of comfort, and the foot is really easy to adjust. There's a full range of blades available for this saw from Makita, so make sure you check them out and the full XGT range over at sydneytools.com.au. Got any questions about this saw? Hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.